CASES was created to provide access to a whole group of non-traditional space users that can use this one-of-a-kind platform for research and technology development, doing types of projects that literally you can't do anywhere else on Earth. And that's what's so exciting about our partnership with Lilly. They reached out to all parts of the organization. We went through a brainstorming, and through that process, we have 4 projects that will be flying to the International Space Station.
Kind of the guidelines for our interaction with NASA and CASES was that we would not do it if it wasn't a value to them, and we could not see the value for ourselves. You know, it would have to be something ultimately of value to mankind.
It's all about caring, and then it's plus discovery. We wanted to make sure that whatever experiments we came up with could do that, and this gave us an opportunity to do it in space.
The purpose of crystallization microgravity is essentially to grow more ordered crystals that we can then study. By being able to crystallize these proteins and have a structure of these proteins, we're then able to have a better idea of their function.
My role is as a research scientist in our discovery group, looking to see how their muscles and bones actually and other organs atrophy during their time in space, and it actually will be also looking at ways in which we could potentially prevent that occurring.
So lyophilization is essentially the process of freeze drying, and it's a process that's used across multiple industries, one being the pharmaceutical industry.
I typically use lyophilization as a tool, while Evan, he comes at it from more of the drug product.
You can think of lyophilization or freeze drying as 2 main parts. There's freezing, followed by drying at low pressure. And which process does gravity play a larger role in?
Lilly is fundamentally interested in the dissolution of tablets. It's part of really our core business.
If you think about tablets or pills that are ingested, they need to dissolve out as well, and you probably don't want them to take multiple hours to dissolve if they're supposed to be a quick release.
Working with companies like Lilly, where they're focused on discovery, is a great match for the International Space Station.
So I'm very excited to be sending some experiments up to the International Space Station, and it's been a rolling ball of enthusiasm and excitement.
The number of individuals who are involved in that and all coming together to make this mission really work, it's phenomenal.